ancient stories, violent and destructive to us, but to nature, it's a new beginning in the cycle of
In the farmlands across America, we're learning that by plowing...
Here we go.
How will we meet tomorrow's growing needs for food production? Instead, respect the needs of the land. Some of the answers are being discovered just ahead. To help us maintain these carefully controlled ecosystems and for your safety, please remain seated in your own held tunnels.
They do actual growing here. All the food you eat in the garden grow, they make over here.
Yeah? It's the domes.
Look, there's pineapple. Pineapple plant.
Gotta sit, honey. Gotta sit.
Welcome to our little laboratory, where scientists from Epcot, the U.S. Department of Agriculture, are exploring innovative ways to produce wonderful harvests now and into the
Look at
future.
all the flowers.
The tropics are home to the greatest diversity of
So you can
plants
eat
on
the
the
leaves.
planet. Many of these, bananas, cacao, coffee, and rice, are well known around the world.
Another pretty flower.
These are just a few of the edible plants that have been an important source of nutrition for people in the tropics. Many are rich in vitamins and minerals, while others are well adapted to growing in less than ideal conditions. Some, like the one thrive in wet, swamp the starchy root of the plant has long been used to make flour for baking.
That's called a peanut butter tree.
One day, many of these lesser-known tropical plants may be as important as the bananas growing on both sides of the boat.
Oh, look over here, some bananas.
More than 28 billion tons of bananas are eaten annually,
Here comes lots of
making it the most popular
Yeah?
fruit in the world.
Yep.
The ones that are the nurses. There's a lot. What do you think?
That's what I want to see.
This is for apple.
The sustainable system recycles the water in the tanks. As a result, we will save millions of gallons each year. Our small fish pond produces nearly 5,000 pounds of fish each year to serve the world. Innovations like this one can help out the forests and still protect natural resources.
Oh, look at cotton. That's the utility fruit.
While there are more than 50,000 edible plant species in the world,
That's how we
most of us are only familiar with the handful that make up our everyday diet. The common grains growing here, wheat, maize, sorghum, and millet, plus rice, account for nearly 2/3 of our global food consumption. Learning how to increase yields of these staples is an important goal of research around the world.
Oh, you know what that is?
What?
When it gets the wall,
Yeah.
that's where you get sugar.
I can eat that whole tree.
If you pull the tree out and you peel off the bark, if you eat the inside, it gets the sugar out of the bark.
These plants are definitely on their way up. Innovative growing techniques like these increase yields while more efficiently using resources like water, fertilizer, and pesticides. Another innovation at work is our integrated pest management program. By populating our greenhouses with
And over here, there's cucumbers. They're baby ones.
like aphids and flies, we're significantly reducing our reliance on conventional pesticides. We're growing these crops using our nutrient-filled system. This technique precisely controls and recycles water and nutrients. With it, we can produce over 27,000
Look at the shape of the red ones.
in this one small area.
Right there to the left, Daddy. Mickey shape.
Oh, look at the pumpkin. You got it? Them are melons.
Sorry, I had to go.
Oh, that's crazy. Look.
Look at the pumpkins.
Some of our best ideas have been inspired by nature, like these fruit and vegetable trees. By growing these ground plants
Make a shape pumpkin.
increase yields and better control diseases. These crops taste as good as they look. In fact, research more than 18 tons of pumpkins from our greenhouses and restaurants here at the land every year.
Oh, it's so fresh. It smells like the spicy smell. Basil on it.
What's a basil?
Basil. It's like a spice.
That's new.
What is it?
They rotate. No, but
But I don't know if I go around and play. No, I see, guys.
you don't, please. You gotta sit.
Okay, look at that.
Yeah, don't
No
no dancing.
standing. Or dancing.
Exactly.
No standing or dancing. I see that. Yeah, look at, you have to do this. Sit and hold hands.
The
Look
future
just
of
like
agriculture may include innovative ideas like this vertical growing system. Plants grown in this way use a fraction of the space required by traditional growing methods. That saves water and increases production. The aquaponics system on your left combines hydroponics with aquaculture. The fish provide a natural source of fertilizer for the plants, and the plants help keep the water clean for the fish. It's another
It's the
great way to produce more
circle of
while using
I
less.
thought that's where they do all the stuff in there.
In our lab, Epcot scientists are working with the U.S. Department of
That's where they keep the
Agriculture on a number
dinosaurs.
of innovative
They're making
projects.
dinosaurs in there.
The goal of these efforts is to produce higher yielding and better
This is
quality
dragon
plants.
fruit.
I'm fine with that. I think dragon fruit.
We tried dragon fruit. We just did it.
Now, honey, guys. Now we're done.
These greenhouses represent just a fraction. Only then will we truly be living with the land.
Hey, you're normally last. Oh? No standing or
On behalf of Walt Disney World, we hope you've enjoyed this unique journey through our living laboratories. If you'd like a closer look, then check out the behind the scenes walking tour. It's a chance for the whole family to get up close and personal with the plants and growing techniques. Our greenhouses represent just a fraction of the work being done worldwide. Please keep your hands and feet